Hey there, I'm Tony Timbo, and this is EAM Quick Fix, where we break down asset management into bite-sized brilliance. The next fix? Work execution, where planning meets performance and assets get moving. After identifying the work, planning the details, and locking in the schedule, execution is the moment of truth. The job's assigned, the crew's ready, and now it's go time. Execution starts with clarity. The technician opens the job, follows the task list step by step, captures actuals like time spent and materials used, and closes out with confidence. Every action is tracked, every detail matters, and in today's field, reality mobile matters. With a quick scan of the asset tag, the technician logs the work, snaps a photo for proof, and updates the status, all from the palm of their hand. Fast, accurate, and paperless. But execution isn't just about speed, it's about safety. No permit, no start. Safety checks come first because execution without compliance isn't just risky, it's chaos. The system enforces it, permits verified, hazards reviewed, green light given. Every job executed feeds the next plan. Actual hours, parts consumed, delays encountered. This feedback loop powers smarter planning and sharper scheduling. Execution isn't the end, it's the engine of continuous improvement. Still, it's easy to slip. Missed steps, wrong tools, no updates. Execution fails when visibility fades. That's why best practices matter. Clear instructions, skilled crews, and real-time updates keep everything on track. So remember, work execution isn't just about doing the job. It's about doing it right, capturing the truth, and driving the next cycle forward. Next up, final stamp. Job logged, proof captured, loop closed. Hit subscribe for your next bit.